YouTube and welcome to Grumpy Entertaining Gamers.
Welcome to part 1 of my PC build, which has been picked this up today from Leeds from a company called CCL Online.
Right, so the parts we've picked for this build are, we've gone for an LCD Asus monitor with an LED backlight, so 1 millisecond response time. We've gone for a Roccat Rios mechanical keyboard with black cherry switches and clearance refurbished 2TB Toshiba drive.
We've got an Intel i7 6700 processor. I went for a M.2 128GB ScanDisk solid state drive to put the operating system on. Got 16GB DDR4 Hyper-V X RAM. Got Corsair power supply.
So 750 watt modular supply that, just in onto the
Antec, I bought a CPU cooler. Msi H170 gaming motherboard. Got a Roccat mouse to match the keyboard. I went for the Radeon rx480 graphics card with the fact in mind that later on I'm going to buy another one and cross-fire them. And the case I've gone for is the Core P3 Snow edition case. It's an open case, and then this is just a SteelSeries mouse mat.
Alright, so let's go on with build, guys. See what it looks like when we're finished. Right, here we go guys, computer's finished now. Took 4 hours to complete, but it looks absolutely stunning. And the P3 case is a belter of a case, but if it's your first time build, I'd just walk by it unless you've got a friend that knows what they're doing and they can help you, because it is a real tricky case to use.
Right, the Strix rx480 graphics card is great value for money. We've been trying it on Fallout, Rise of the Tomb Raider, Elder Scrolls and Armour. We've been getting over 60 frames per second on ultra settings. The Antec cooler looks great, very efficient. Overall the case is very quiet for an open case and looks fantastic.
Thanks for watching guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more content, and we're going to have some benchmarks coming very soon, and we hope to see you on the next video.